Hello everyone, and welcome to today's review of the Plugable USB-C triple display docking station with laptop charging. In this review, we will take an in-depth look at this docking station's features, performance, and overall value. Designed for USB-C, USB 4, and Thunderbolt systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS devices, this 12-in-1 expansion hub promises enhanced connectivity for your modern workspace. The Plugable docking station stands out with a robust set of features. It offers connectivity for up to 3 displays, with one HDMI port capable of 4K resolution at 30 Hz and 2 additional HDMI ports supporting 1080p at 60 Hz. This is powered by DisplayLink USB graphics technology, which allows even traditionally limited systems like Apple's M1 to M4 models to extend their display capabilities beyond a single screen. In addition, it provides 6 USB 5GB PCS ports and Gigabit Ethernet, a 3.5mm audio jack, and native USB-C video support via alt mode. With an impressive 100-watt power delivery, it not only connects your peripherals but also charges your laptop seamlessly during use. In real-life scenarios, this docking station truly shines. Users have found that connecting multiple monitors for an extended desktop experience is fluid and intuitive, making it ideal for multitasking and enhanced productivity. The integration of DisplayLink technology means that even laptops typically restricted to one external display can now support 3, proving beneficial for creative professionals, business users, or anyone looking to upgrade their home or office setup. On the advantages side, the device offers incredible versatility through its wide compatibility with different operating systems and modern laptops. Its 100 watts charging capability ensures that you can work without constantly worrying about battery life. Moreover, the generous connectivity options help streamline a cluttered workspace by reducing the need for multiple adapters and peripherals. However, it's worth noting that the docking station is not compatible with Linux, and HDCP is not supported, which might be a drawback for users in need of secure high-definition streaming solutions. When compared to similar products in the market, the Plugable dock stands out due to its robust build and reliable performance in handling multiple displays and peripherals concurrently. While some competitors may offer similar connectivity options, the combination of triple display support and high power delivery, along with a solid warranty and lifetime support, makes this product a compelling choice. For those looking to maximize the benefits of this docking station, a few tips include ensuring that your laptop's USB-C port supports alt mode and power delivery, keeping the drivers up to date, especially for Mac OS users, and experimenting with different monitor configurations to suit your workflow. Overall, the Plugable USB-C triple display docking station is a strong, versatile option for professionals and power users alike who need multi-display setups and efficient connectivity. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this review helpful. Have a great day and happy docking.